guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen me, I'm Roshni. I make videos on makeup, beauty, skincare, fashion sometimes. So for today's video, this is very random because I don't know, just wanted to do it. I just wanted to show you guys how I prepare for my creative makeup looks on Instagram that I post. So today is like 21st of August and 22 August is like Ganesh Puja. So I haven't planned anything of what I'll do, but let's see. Let's go ahead. I have chosen the picture though what I'll what paint I'll do on my face, but I'm still confused with that thing. Apart from that, I will make some accessories also. Of course, there is no reason I'll go out and buy. I'll just make out of some cardboard or paint that I have at home. So let's get started. You pretty well know this background. This is a mess right now. This is the place where I usually do my all the makeup and settings. So if you hear any noise also, it's because हम लोग का घर अभी renovate हो रहा है. Like the kitchen part is going on. So I'll start up with the prop. I'll set the camera right here. Also, I'm shooting it in my phone, so don't mind the quality. Oh, the sugar powder. So this is a cardboard that I had of my college file, flat file actually, that I don't use it. So I made this headgear that will go right over here, and I'll just cut it out, and I hope this turns out well. And then I'll also make the crown if I wish to with the other part. So that is what I'll use and just do it. Look, I still don't know how this will turn out. Otherwise, I'll just end up doing the face paint. That's it. Or we like, I don't know, maybe. So okay, I did it. Okay, this looks pretty decent if I like just put it on over here. Now I'll be making the crown, and maybe I'll be taking some inspiration for the crown from Pinterest. Now that is a great place to get your inspirations from. Let's make the crown. Okay, for the headgear, I guess I'll be needing a hairband. Now these are very cheap quality that I got from Bali Jatra. People who are from Odisha will be knowing. It's like 20 bucks. I got 15 to 16 with quite same colors and different. Just keeping the band and just tracing it out like this, and then again making a double knot because the hairband will stretch anyway. Okay, I did make the crown and it's so cartoony, but I guess I don't know, I'm not sure if I'll use it or not. And also I ended up making 2 ears, like elephant ears. It's like this. I don't know, like maybe if I'll use it or not. I cannot, depends on my mood. But okay, like let's just go and paint these all, and yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
I was trying to do a lipstick swatch, but I failed to. And oh हाँ, जो क्राफ्ट था उसको मैंने पेंट कर लिया है. आधा मैंने छोड़ दिया क्योंकि फिर मैं लंच करने चली गई एंड देन मैं भूल गई. So this is what it looks like. ये दोनों ears हैं. This is the crown. I mean it's kind of okay. Symmetrical नहीं हुआ but ठीक है. And this is the back chakra वाला thing. So this is what I painted and I'm quite happy. That looks a bit decent, but now जो मैंने प्लान किया है फेस पेंट करने का, दैट इज़ एक्चुअली white and black. So my mom said कि कुछ colorful करो. So I'll do that inspiration thing on my face, but with different colors. That is what I thought. बाकी देखते हैं how it turns out. अभी तो कैमरा चार्ज हो रहा है. So let's see. Also now that I have done, I need to stick the crown with the hairband so that it goes this way. I mean, look, it looks okay. I'm not super proud of what I made, but it's kind of okay-ish. So that's what matters. Rest, I tried to shoot a lot. Oh hi, I tried to shoot, but then आज बहुत ज़्यादा बादल धूप इधर उधर हो रहा था. मेरे को लिपस्टिक स्वॉचेस करने थे, तो मुझे नेचुरल लाइट ही चाहिए था. मे बी टुमारो, गणेश पूजा वाले दिन देखते हैं. So this is what it looks like. I mean, I don't know if I'll use it or not, the ears, but good job.
You in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me.
So this is what I did. I mean, the eyes part I guess I need to edit. Pretty good job. Good morning guys. So I woke up yesterday in vlog after I finished, but I'm uploading it right now and I hope I get a good response. So also happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I got freshened up and now we're going for the puja. I had no new clothes, so that's aside. And yeah, I'm getting a good response on the thing that I did. Let's go. So this is a puja room and the amount of Ganesh we have is insane, like so many. And yeah, in case you are wondering where is our Gannu, it is right here. We have this tiny little one. We worship him like every year when we are in Bhubaneswar.
Now, I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up.
Also, the amount of comments and shares I got was insane. Thank you so much everyone. So we are done with the puja. I'll close this video right here. And mom is doing some extra puja she has to do. And this was a very random video. I don't know if there is a meaning to this video or not. But anyways, if you liked it, subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell notification button because मैं जब भी एक नया वीडियो डालूँ आपके फ़ोन में नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.